welcome to another unboxing video. What we'll do, we'll have a closer look at these rear lights. This is a set for the Focus MK3 pre-facelift model, so this is from around 2011 to around 2014. This is for the hatchback model. So what we've got is some smoked LED light bar rear lights. So here we have a complete rear light set, what will plug straight into your Focus. This set is part LED, part bulb. They have bulb for the indicator and bulb for the reverse light, and the stop and tail are LED. The tail light is a red light bar which runs along here. We will get this illuminated and have a closer look at that in a moment. On the rear, everything is pre-wired. There's a plug what will plug directly into the vehicle, so there's no messing about changing any wiring or adapting anything at all. They simply just plug straight in. These lights are really easy to fit. You can swap a pair of these over within a 10-minute period. These lights are fully E-marked, they are road legal, and they are also MOT compliant. This design is a nice smoked finish. Let's get them illuminated. So here's a simple fitting guide how to replace and fit these rear lights. It's really easy, there is no tools required at all. So let's get the boot open. We need to remove the inner cap, which is this one here. You will find behind there is like a black nut which you remove. There's also one a little higher up just under here. Remove this one. And then the light should simply just pop out. Once the light is out, we now need to remove the plug on the vehicle. So by pressing down the tab and pulling, removes this. You should be able to install a pair of these in less than 10 minutes. Now it's time to install the new light bar LED rear lights. So once you've got the new rear light, the plug just plugs directly into the vehicle. And then all we need to do is refit the rear light. We need to locate this this threaded lug, and this locating pin with holes what are in the side of the vehicle. And then we need to come back around here, refit our lugs. These secure the lights tightly into place. Just tighten them by hand as tight as you can is definitely sufficient enough. Rear cap goes back on.